If you are into coding, you probably heard about Claude Code, but what you most likely don't know is that you can use it with Ollama. Yes, you can use it completely locally without having to make an account or log in or anything. And basically you need two things. You need local Ollama installed with some model for coding, and I'm going to use Qwen 2.5 coder for this episode, but you can use any coding model that you like. So if you don't have Ollama installed, please visit their website and download it. And download some model and you're good to go. But in this episode I'm going to teach you how to install Claude Code and how to configure it to use your local Ollama model. And for that I'm going to use my Windows machine, because there I have a dedicated GPU. So now I'm going to show you. On the left I have Visual Studio Code and Git Bash terminal on the right, both on the same location. In here I'm going to paste this command, winget install Claude Code, and I'm going to install it. Awesome, that part is done. Now I'm going to clear my screen. And now, in order to run Claude Code with local Ollama model, you cannot run it in regular way. We are going to call Ollama command launch Claude, and I'm going to provide argument config. Now you can see that I have 4 different models installed with Ollama, and I'm going to use this first one, Qwen 2.5 coder. Launch Claude now, and we are in. Alright, now let's use Claude Code and Qwen 2.5 to make something. Make me an HTML page and game with JavaScript. I want brick wall of 20 by 20 elements. When clicked on element, I want that element to change color into a random color. Let's see what we are going to get. Alright, looks nice. I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to save it, and let's see how that looks like. Brick wall game. Alright, it's not what I expected, but actually it did exactly what I asked for. So guys, I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!